What is up? What is up? What is up, everybody? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And we're going to make this a short one because I'm assuming if you follow Motocross, you'll know the fact that JGR closed. Joe Gibbs Racing, the Suzuki, the factory Suzuki team, however you want to say it, whatever. Suzuki and them severed ties. So there is, as far as I'm aware, this season not going to be any... Oh, well, let's also say this. And then Geico pulled its support from Honda, so there's no Geico Honda squad. There is no JGR Suzuki, which, I mean, they've been around since 2008, 13 years, 2007, 2008, whatever. You're losing a lot of money out of the sport right now. I mean, like, good thing for Gasgas is coming in, which is basically just KTM throwing more money at it, but, like, you know, good thing for them. But think about that. You've lost two of the major, I mean, let's be honest about it. Suzuki hasn't been a contender in a very long time. No matter who's been on the bike, whatever it is, they haven't been a contender. But, like, Geico Honda definitely was. Like, that's a big blow. That's, what, 450 rides. That's 250 rides for 2, 3, 4 people. You know, 2 450 rides because they had Sexton and Roxon. I couldn't even tell you who was on the Suzuki squad. That's how, you know, little I paid attention to it. Like, sorry to them, but, you know, just that's how it is. But yeah, this is going to be a weird season for Supercross and Motocross because, you know, you have, I'm assuming Honda, you'll still have people riding Hondas, but, like, and Suzuki's, I'm assuming, because there's, you know, who was it? The Twisted Tea, like, Suzuki squad. But that's, you know, that's not factory. They might get some more support from them now because they don't have their own factory squad, but who knows? But it's definitely going to be a weird year. You know, that's a lot of money. That's 2 big teams. There's, what, 2, maybe 4 450 riders and, you know, 4 to 6 or to 8 250 riders, depending on how many people they were supporting. That's a lot of rides. It's a lot of competition. That's a lot of jobs gone. 2021 is gonna be a weird season. You know, hopefully Gasgas comes in and, you know, brings some more money into it, and who knows, but it's gonna be strange. So we're gonna make this super short and sweet. Obviously, if you want to read, I will include the Racer X. What am I looking at? The Racer X article. There's the word for it. About the JGR squad, and yeah, this is, I mean, that was, what's the day? It was announced 2 days ago, so if you don't know what, well, okay, it was announced on the 12th. I don't exactly know when this video is going to go up, so, but yeah, I mean, you think about it, that's 2 factory teams, not even like a satellite team or something where somebody getting some factory support, like falling away. That's 2 factory squads. Poof. It's a lot of money. That's a lot of everything just being dropped right out of that sport. Considering now, I mean, at the moment you have what? Yamaha, Husqvarna, KTM, and Gasgas. Oh, and Kawasaki, sorry. And Kawasaki, of course. But, you know, you've lost 2 major players in this for the last, I mean, Honda forever, obviously, and Suzuki forever, but, like, 2 major players for the last 10 years, especially Honda. Like, that's a big amount of money. But I don't know. Tell me what you think below. Do you think they're going to, you know, is their JGR going to turn into some other team? Like, is Suzuki going to have their own squad? How do you think it's going to work? You know, leave a comment. And, yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.